Well, here I'm up at Cameron Park on a property that we manage, and I can't believe the snow. Let me just get a picture of it here. Wow. You'd think you're in Lake Tahoe. Boy, look at that snow. Well, hope I can get out of this parking lot. Anyway. Boy, the weight of that snow just brought some of these branches down this tree over our nice new sign. Looks like it's right there. That's a big one. Well, with the snow over here. Man, oh man. Be careful. Hopefully it didn't hurt the sign too much. Boy, a lot of snow here. Oh well, it's cold up here.